different. He was different from the rest. Of course, he can't belong with me. I know I should have guessed. He wasn't mine to mother, wasn't mine to rear. Another dream gets washed away. Another dream, another mother's tear. 1, 2.
Honk! You didn't really think I'd leave you, did you?
Oh, but you must. You must think about yourself now. It's your life, and you belong with the swans.
I don't care what egg I came out of. You're my mother, and you raised me, and that's what counts.
Well,
It takes all sorts to make a world, and you even said so yourself that the duckyard would be boring if we all looked the same. So I've decided to come back, to be different,
we are both coming back.
to be the first swans on the lake. I was different my whole life. I was different as a duck, and I'll be just as different as a swan. I like being me. I like my honk. I like being different.
You are certainly that. I'm so proud of you. Well, come on then. What are we waiting for? I can't wait to see Drake's reaction. I think he might lay an egg, and what that might turn into doesn't bear thinking about.
Wait a minute. I have a little unfinished business to do.
Hello, Swanee. Swanee? Swanee! How I love ya, how I love ya. I quit, I surrender, I give up. I have been working too hard. Take me to the Betty Fur Clinic. Ah! Look at him. Have you ever seen a finer bird? Hark at him, 'cause his honking is the best we've heard. We are feeling rather small in this old shebang. Maybe you'll forgive us all and we hope with enough soft soul lead our gang.
Of course I forgive you all. I'm just happy to see you again and to introduce you to someone. This is Penny. Hello.
Hello, Penny.
Welcome home, my dear. I've been thinking. I'm getting rather long in the bill, and I feel the time is right for me to relinquish the red band. Wear it with pride, my dear, for you are indeed the finest bird on the lake, as I know I was in my day. And let it be known that from this day forward, the red band will be called the signet ring. Look at him, look at us, see the difference.